In this video, we are going to see how we can avail the early settlement discount if we pay our vendors within 10 days. And the credit policy is that if we, let's say, pay the 30 days credit in 10 days, we will obtain a 2% discount. If you remember, we have already entered this one, which says purchase of following items from Franklin Textiles on credit, and the vendor offers 2% discount policy of payment within 10 days. So this transaction was of 3rd of January, and we have availed the discount because we just paid it in 7 days to obtain this discount. So let's see how we can enter this and get this discount. Let's go to the accounting, click on vendors and click on bills. And here it is, Franklin Textiles. Select this, click on pay. Or let's say if we open this and use the bill reference here and then click on pay, we are receiving the payment on 10th of January. So let's mention 10th of January. And as soon as I selected 10th of January, you will notice that automatically the amount changes to this one. The total invoice amount was different. If we select all of this, 4710,000 was the total. Even if we change the date now to, let's say, February, it will automatically change back to the original one. But if we select this 10th January date, it will automatically calculate that early payment discount of 94,200 has been applied. So that's the power of Odoo. It is simply awesome. It enables all the function with just a simple description. Although the payment looks very simple, but it still managed it perfectly. You can mention this reference number here if you want to. Just copy this and paste it right here. Click on create payment, and that's how we enter this. If we click on the vendors and payments, we have this payments right here. Click on this. You can click on validate, and that's how we can enter this. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.